Russia-Ukraine war. Ukrainian drone hits Moscow building, causing explosion. A Ukrainian drone crashed into a residential building in Moscow on Saturday, causing an explosion and injuring several people. The incident is the first time that a Ukrainian drone has been able to reach the Russian capital since the start of the war. It was Japan-South Korea leaders hold summit in Tokyo. The leaders of the United States, Japan, and South Korea held a summit in Tokyo on Saturday to discuss ways to counter the threat from North Korea. The summit comes amid heightened tensions on the Korean Peninsula following a series of missile tests by North Korea. China's Evergrande files for bankruptcy protection in us. China's Evergrande, the world's most indebted property developer, has filed for bankruptcy protection in the United States. The move is a major blow to China's economy and could have ripple effects around the world. This new COVID variant causing concern among scientists detected in London. A new COVID variant that is causing concern among scientists has been detected in London. The variant, which is called BA 2.75, is believed to be more transmissible than previous variants. Since wildfires rage in Europe and North America. Wildfires are raging in several parts of Europe and North America, destroying homes and businesses and forcing thousands of people to flee. The fires are being fueled by hot, dry weather and strong winds. These are just a few of the top trending news stories from around the world today.
Become a subscriber and get exclusive access to our content. We're more than just a channel, we're a community. Subscribe and join us on the journey. Thanks for watching.